My baby on Valentine's Day. His first Valentine's Day.
He's going to be so happy to see you. Who do you think?
Hey.
I can't wait to play with
Hey.
you again.
What word did you just learn how to say? You don't say mama, but you say dada. Yeah. Yeah, you're dada. You're watching Doc McStuffins?
Oh, this is gonna be good. Daddy.
Uh-huh.
That's gonna make you
Say hi, dada.
What is it?
Say hi to dada. Uh-huh. Okay. Say hi, daddy. Yeah, say hi, daddy. Good. Okay, say bye. Uh-huh. Bye, everybody.
This is why I can't